You don't need hundreds of products, a huge following, or even a perfectly branded shop on Etsy to start making sales. But you do need to understand how Etsy works and what actually gets seen and clicked. So in this video, I am breaking down 5 sales boosting strategies that work for people selling digital products, handmade products, or even print on demand. I will also share more about EverBee, a tool that helps you take out the guesswork out of selling on Etsy, how to price your product, how to find the right keywords, and how to jump on trends before anybody else does. So let's make your Etsy store work a bit smarter, not harder. So number 5, improve your listing conversion rate. Let's start right here because sometimes it's not about getting more traffic, but converting the traffic that you already have. So how do you increase conversion? You use real lifestyle photos or mock-ups that match your niche. Printify is amazing for this if you're doing print on demand and they have ready-to-use mock-ups. Next, write clear product descriptions. Keep them easy to read. Explain what makes a product special, how it's used, and who it's perfect for. The next one is adding social proof. If you have reviews or can mention how many sales you had, do it. Etsy shoppers care about trust. Even simple tweaks to your photos, copy, or reviews can turn browsers into buyers without needing new traffic. So it's important that you show people that others have loved your product, what they loved about it, how they used it, and you can even include some of those reviews in your Etsy listing photos. Number 4 is to offer a clear value-based niche. So here's why many shops lose momentum. It is because they try to sell everything to everybody. The best shop on Etsy and in general have a clear niche and specific value. So that's what makes the buyer say, okay, this is exactly what I was looking for. This product is made for me. So for example, your shop doesn't need to only sell shirts in general. You can sell funny shirts for teachers or matching shirts for moms and toddlers. You don't have to sell mugs. You can sell personalized mugs for coworkers or gift mugs for bridesmaids. Because once your shop feels like it's built for someone, it becomes way easier to get consistent sales and returning buyers. Number 3 is to use EverBee to find what's actually selling on the platform. So you don't want to go on Etsy and invent a product or invent a trend or try out a million products without any of them selling. This is what EverBee is for, especially if you don't want to waste time designing products that nobody's searching for. So the very first thing you want to do is use EverBee as the go-to Etsy research tool to show you what's actually trending and selling on Etsy right now. It gives you real sales estimates, search volume, and price data. It lets you see what top performing listings are doing so you can learn what works. And it helps you find high demand, low competition product opportunities in your niche. So how do you use EverBee as a complete beginner? You just install the Chrome extension, search for any keyword, browse any shop, and instantly see all the data you need. So if you're not sure what type of product to launch next, you want to see what's working during a specific season or holiday, you need inspiration for titles, tags, or pricing, EverBee makes it so easy. You can try it for free using the link below because it is honestly the only tool I use before I post any products on Etsy. It is so much easier to understand what people are searching for because the Etsy search bar gives you only a little information. The next one is to optimize titles, description, and tags for Etsy search. So after you find out the products that people are actually searching for, you need to learn how to make them actually pop up when somebody is searching for them. Because Etsy SEO is a game of keywords, and your goal is to use as many relevant, specific, high traffic terms as you can. So here is what helps. You use long tail keywords in your product title. You fill in all 13 Etsy tags with phrases, not just simple words. You add keywords in your description and even in your image file names. You include your niche keyword early in your title. So for example, personalized bridesmaid mug custom gift for wedding party. When you're using the right keywords, you have more chances at showing up in Etsy search and for your listings to get found and actually clicked on and for your products to be bought. And now the number 1 strategy that I used and everybody that's selling on Etsy is using is to launch more of what's already working and fast. So the most important strategy is that when a product from your shop gets bought, is you analyze what that product is, how high the search volume is for that product, and you create a multitude of those in different types of colors, sizes, and everything else. Let me give you an example. As a digital product example, let me show you what actually worked for my shop. For example, if I created an Instagram post template for jewelry or for jewelry shops and I saw that that one was working, I then immediately went and created more for jewelry shops in black or for jewelry shops in pink. Then you can make it even broader and create Instagram templates, Instagram graphic templates for fashion shops and take every single niche at a time and create for them. Now, for example, if you sell a cute dog mom sweatshirt that starts selling really well, what do? You create a matching mug, you make a holiday version, dog mom Christmas edition, you create a cat mom version in the same design, you offer a kids version that says dog baby, you bundle it with a tote bag or a sticker. The thing is, EverBee shows you exactly which listings and which keywords are already performing, so you don't have to guess. So there you go, these are 5 effective Etsy strategies that will help you convert visitors into buyers and that will help you get more traffic as well. No more guessing, no more wasting time designing products that do not sell. If you want to get started with your Etsy shop, or if you already have a shop but want to take it to the next level, I recommend using EverBee using the link below. If you've enjoyed this video and it was helpful, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.